for the right vehicle? Check out 2013 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, security system, electronic stability control, CD player, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, power moonroof, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.